Hello, I hope you are doing well. So, in this video, I will show you how to set your website identity. I will show you the website identity. Here you can see the website logo in this website tab. So, I will add in this website the identity website. You can just go to your dashboard and then click on appearance and click on customize. So I will open in the new tab, customize section. So here you can see the customize page here. So you can just click on identity. Here you can see the site identity. Click on site identity. You can add also a tagline of in your website, like I use the site title cryptocurrency. You can see the cryptocurrency. If you need a site title, you can add there. Then you can select the select site icon and just click on your logo and select. Here you can see the website cryptocurrency logo is here. Just click on publish. The publish, and you can see your visit your website. Then you can see there the logo is here. This is your site identity. So I hope you like this video. If you need any type of website, cryptocurrency website, trading website, e-commerce website, and business website, NFT website, you can contact me. I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description. You can contact me anytime. Thank you.